Hey there. You want to know how you can accumulate almost 200K, almost $200,000 in less than 6 years and without having to get an extra job or working overtime or starving yourself or having to save every single penny? Let me show you how. Okay. I hope you have a few minutes because this is going to open your eyes and you're going to realize what you've been missing. Okay. If you're still renting, you really need to watch this, all right? Because so many people are renting don't understand the power of owning real estate. And today I'm going to show you. This is live, so please bear with me. All right, this is live, so I'm going to show you how you can invest in real estate this year and accumulate almost $600,000 or more in 5 to 6 years. All right. So my name is Henry Artiga. I'm with eXp Realty. Okay. A real estate professional for, I've been in this real estate industry for almost 17 years now. And I live in Las Vegas for my entire life, 45 years now. And I want to show you this. This could be in your state. If you're not in Las Vegas, Nevada, this could be, in your state, in your city. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me turn this around so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, so in real estate, right? Your values, your home values, they increase an average between 7 to 12%, depending. All depends on your city, your zip code, the condition of the home, the neighborhood, right? Several elements can have an impact on your home value, but an average is between 7 to 10%. So I'm gonna use 10%, all right? And I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna use a small home or condo of $300,000, all right? I think national, the average price right now throughout the entire United States is in the low to half 400K, so between 440 and 450. But I'm gonna use 300,000. All right, just to keep it simple. All right, so let's say you buy a property this year. If you don't own a home, if you don't own a property, if you're still renting, let's say you buy a property this year for 300K. All right, so the first year, all right, 300,000 times 10%. That's what's going to increase. Your home is going to increase this year 30,000, right? So we take that and we add it to 300,000. That's 330. So it's going to increase again times 10%, 33,000 the second year. So we add that over here. Okay, that's 363,000. Now a lot of people do this incorrectly. They take 10% times 5, that's 50%, and they multiply that, to the original sales price, and it doesn't work like that. All right, the values accumulate kind of like compound interest. All right, think about it as compound interest. That's how home values increase. All right, so let's keep going. So the third year, okay, you increase 36,000. All right, you added to that 30 years, so that's 389,300, almost 400,000. Okay, you multiply that times 10, it's 39,930. You increase that, all right, to the fifth year times 10. All right, so at the end of 5 years, okay, the house is started at 300,000. It's going to increase this much value, almost 185,000. All right, so your new home value at the end of 5 years is right here, almost 485,000. This is how I'm telling you you can increase, you can accumulate almost $185,000 in 5 years. All right, so this can also increase more depending on the value of your home, the condition. Does it have a pool? Does it have solar panels? Does it have a huge property? Is it more than half an acre? Is it a horse property? I mean, there's so many things that affect the home values, but this is why I keep telling everybody to stop renting because of this. Okay, and people keep saying, "Oh, you know what? I'm only going to stay in Las Vegas for 3 years or 5 years, and then I'm planning on moving to a different state. Well, I'm not gonna be here long." Well, listen, this is what you could get, okay, for a return, okay, for your investment. If you buy a property this year and move in the next 5 to 6 years, all right, you're missing on this. This is why I keep saying stop building somebody else's wealth. Start building your wealth. All right, because of this, people don't understand this, and I want you to see this. I want you to see it like this. You can do it. I mean, and there's a faster way to increase your return. Okay, there's a faster way that you can make this work even faster for you. And if you need more assistance, if you need more details, let me show you how. Let me turn this around. Okay, I'm doing this live, so please bear with me. All right, so now that you see these numbers, okay, this is why you need to invest in real estate as soon as possible. All right, because you can get this kind of return on your money. Why do you think all these rich, wealthy people out there are pooling their money together and they're investing in real estate? They're buying properties all over by the hundreds, some of them by the thousands, all over because of this. Because not only do they create rental income, but in 5 to 6 years, they're going to cash out big time. And this is why you need to stop renting. This is why you need to start looking at this and see how you can build a better future for yourself. You can start building wealth like this. All right, and there's a way that you can do this faster. All right, so let's say that 5 years from now, 6 years from now, you have accumulated close to $200,000, in your equity. Now you can pull some of the money out and you can go buy another property. All right, in a different state, in a different city, or in a different country. You can go invest in a different country and you can increase your wealth. This is how many families have created wealth, okay, because of real estate, investing in real estate. All right, so if you're still renting, start thinking about it like this. Listen, if you're single, you can buy a home and you can rent the other rooms. All right, you can get $800, $900, $1,000 for each of those extra rooms, and you can have people pay for your property. All right, if you're gonna be here only 3 years, guess what? Get some money back for what you're paying a month. Why would you not want to get some of that money back? If you're renting, you're never gonna see any of that money back. Okay, and right now it's so easy to buy a home. I mean, there's down payment assistance. There's sellers willing to pay your closing costs. There's all kinds of different types of loans out there. Listen, this is not something impossible. This is something that can be very easy if you work with the right real estate agent and the right lender. Let me help you. My name is Henry Artiga with eXp Realty. My license number is S0173900. I'm your realtor cousin. All right, I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. I can help you here. And this company, eXp Realty, we are in all 50 states. So if you need help in a different state, please reach out to me. DM me, IM me. My cell number is 702-285-8168. I can connect you with the great real estate agent in your state, in your county, that will take care of you and that will help you build your wealth. Okay, help you build a better future, a better retirement plan. Listen, all experts, just about every expert out there is saying that home values are going to keep increasing for the next 7 to 10 years. So why not get some of that money back? Why not you build your wealth? All right, reach out to me. Let me help you. Stop renting as soon as you can. Start doing this. All right, it is possible. You can do it. All right, reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, take care.